Yeah, good day, everyone. Yeah, my name is Afolabi Sunday. I created this workflow to retrieve tasks and subtasks from Asana and give the report in Slack. You understand? So the first thing first, using a Slack slash command, we have to search for user first. You understand? So if we should search for a user and the user is in the workspace, then we get all the projects that belongs to the user. Then after that, we send the project to Slack. So, and the project we send to Slack will always be in a numbered form. Then the Slack user will have to respond to the project. Understand? So responding to the list is, okay, this is the project that I want to get report on. Then after clicking the project, then it will generate the project, the uncompleted task, that in the project. Then we merge everything together and generate a report for it. So the report is what we now send back to Slack. So I hope you understand. And if not, I really want us to execute the process together and let us see how it works. So you click on execute workflow, then you come to as this Slack. First is slash, then this is the command. Now I'm typing. Now this is a user we have in our Asana. Let's go. Let's look our. Oh, so it said the user is not found. Yeah, if the user does not exist, it will always send a message back to Slack that the user does not exist, that this email does not exist in Asana workspace. I made a mistake in the email, so let me go back again. Vivian 19. It was because of the mistake I made. That was why I got this message, this response that the email does not exist in Asana workspace, and truly it does not exist. So let's try this email. Okay, let's click on execute workflow. Then let's try again. Good. It's going through this route now. Yeah, good. Then it has sent a message to Slack. So good. So these are the projects that was generated, for the user. So these are the projects that the user is involved in. Then we have to respond to this. And now this is the beautiful thing. Even if you don't have to respond to this immediately, if it is after an hour that you want to respond, the workflow the workflow will still be active. And after that time, if you want to respond to it now, it is fine. But let's take for example, maybe you are not available to respond at the time the request coming. Then you can do that at any point in time. Just click on respond. It will pop up this form. Let's choose the second project too. Then good. Our workflow. Okay, can you see? It is okay, good. It has generated a report. It has generated the report for the project. Let's check. Oh, so actually, the report we are trying to get is, the last time an activity was done on the task and subtask, and in the last 7 days. And this is the result. It said, we write about us a section. That's a task in the project. No update on the task since on the 6th of 6th month. No report. I know no activity. You understand? So, and these are the reports. So that means no activity on this, no activity on this. These are the tasks and subtasks that okay, there was no activity on. in the last 7 days. And this is just what we actually want to achieve, and we are able to do that. Now let's test for another project. Let's just choose another project, to make sure this our workflow is working effectively. Let me be sure the email is query until 19. Okay, good. Alright, good. Waiting for the Slack. Actually, my Asana workspace just expired, so I will not be able to show you my workspace because I was on free trial. Let's go for the second. Let's choose the first project now and see what's in the first project. Oh, sorry, I responded to it through. Yeah, good. Now let's go. Okay, it's working, it's generating. And this is what happens at the back end of almost everything. And what we just see in the front end is okay, I have to respond, then I get the report. You don't even know how all these things happen at the back end. And this is just the back end of generating these results. So this has three tags, and the three tags has not this has only three tags that's not been updated in the last 7 days. I would have said we should go for the third one, but actually this workflow, works seamlessly, and I am very happy to complete this workflow because I have been on it for like some days, and it is something that at first it seems challenging, but I love the challenge it's brought because it's made me to think well, and also out of curiosity, I know I have to get this done, and I'm glad I did it. So thank you so much, everyone. Once again, my name is Afolabi Sunday, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.